Hi, my name is Charlie Fury. I'm a carpenter in the film industry in New York, and this is my invention. It's the Rafter angle square door clamp stand. Comes with two rafter angles, 12-inch rafter angles. This is it in the storage position. It'll unload the stops. I pull out my protective pads, load in my squares, put my pads back on. The squares. My tension plate is calibrated, so I set it at about 3/4 of an inch on each side for an 1 3/8 door. Put my stops back in. And you can see the idea is to have the tension in the plate, and when the weight of the door goes on, it clamps the door in place. Just lift my door up, slide it in here, push it down, turn my feet for stability, and that's it. It holds your door in place to work on. I have one in the back, one in the front, but you could use it with one, but it'd be more economical to have two, since two of these would cost as much as one of the comparable counterparts on the market today. And the beauty of this is it's a door stand, and you can also turn your squares around. Put your pads back on. Put your stops back in. And now you have a cradle to hold sonotube or columns or anything circular you have to work on. And that is my product. Thank you.